Remdesivir, Gilead Sciences' new drug for treating coronavirus, is going to cost governments worldwide about $2,300 per patient. Now, how do you come up with a figure like that, and is it fair? Here are three ways of looking at it. The first is cost. It's estimated that producing the pills for one patient costs less than $600. The thing is that pharma companies do a lot more than simply make pills. They have to discover them, and they have to prove that they work. The Tufts Center for the Study of Drug Development estimated in 2014 it costs on average $2.6 billion to develop a new approved drug. And why is that? Well, simply most don't work. So assume the $2.6 billion figure is correct, and also assume that Gilead makes about a 40% margin. It would have to sell about 3 million courses of treatment to cover its costs under this scenario. That's possible, but won't necessarily happen. The second way of looking at it is, what's the drug worth? Daniel Adey, Gilead Sciences CEO, points out that the drug's been proven in clinical trials to shorten the disease in severely ill patients by 4 days. Now, if patients get out of hospitals 4 days earlier, that's about $12,000 saved in the US. And if you think about it, $2,300 seems a lot cheaper than $12,000. The problem is this figure may be slightly misleading. US healthcare costs are absurdly overinflated. So saying that something costs less than a price that's absurdly overinflated doesn't necessarily mean you're saving money. The third way of doing it is, what will the market bear? And if you think about it, probably a lot more than Gilead's charging. Gilead has a patent, so other companies can't produce this. And there are alternatives out there. Finally, governments and people are desperate to find a treatment that works. The problem is that for Gilead, high drug prices are already politically contentious, and it's an election year. Gilead's probably won some points because it's developed a treatment, but if it charged too much, Gilead would probably lose those points quickly. And it's better for Gilead over the long run to ensure that the market stays stable.